Certainly, attraction often manifests differently in women based on individual personalities and comfort levels. Here are various ways women may express attraction towards a man. 1. Increased interest and engagement. Women may show heightened interest in the man's conversations, hobbies, or activities. They might actively engage in discussions and seek opportunities to spend time together. 2. Frequent smiling and laughter. Smiling and laughter are common signs of attraction. Women might smile more frequently or laugh at the man's jokes, even if they're not particularly humorous. 3. Initiating and maintaining conversations. They might take the initiative to start and continue conversations. Initiating texts, calls, or conversations demonstrates their interest and desire for communication. 4. Body language cues. Women may exhibit open body language, such as facing the man directly, leaning in during conversations, or maintaining eye contact. Playing with hair, touching their face, or preening gestures could indicate attraction. 5. Subtle flirting. Subtle flirting through teasing, playful banter, or complimenting the man's appearance or qualities is a common behavior. 6. Increased physical proximity. They might find excuses to be near the man they're attracted to. Initiating or allowing casual physical contact, like touching the arm during conversation, can indicate interest. 7. Mirroring behaviors. Women might subconsciously mirror the man's gestures, body language, or speech patterns. Mirroring indicates a desire to create rapport and connection. 8. Attention to appearance. Women may put more effort into their appearance when they anticipate seeing the man they like. Dressing up or grooming more meticulously can be a sign of attraction. 9. Remembering details. They tend to remember details about the man, such as his interests, favorite things, or important events, indicating a genuine interest. 10. Seeking opportunities for interaction. Women might actively seek opportunities to spend time together or participate in activities the man enjoys. 11. Supportive and encouraging behavior. Offering support, encouragement, or lending a helping hand when needed showcases their interest and care. 12. Subtle signs of nervousness. Some women may exhibit signs of nervousness, such as fidgeting, blushing, or moments of shyness, especially in the early stages of attraction. 13. Expressing curiosity and interest in future plans. Women might inquire about the man's future plans, career aspirations, or long-term goals, showing interest in his life beyond the present. 14. Increased social media interaction. Engaging more on social media platforms, liking or commenting on posts, or sending direct messages could be a sign of attraction. It's essential to note that everyone expresses attraction differently, and these behaviors might not apply to every woman or every situation. Additionally, cultural differences, personal preferences, and comfort levels greatly influence how women express their feelings of attraction toward a man.